Using Sparrow ERP, you can instantly get supplier prices to do cost analysis of your bill of material. From Purchase Plan List, click on Add New button to create a new plan. Give a name to your plan and save it. After saving, click on Import button to import your bill of material. Your bill of material must have at least MPN and quantity columns. After the BOM is imported, click on Analysis button to go into Analysis screen. From the Analysis screen, click on Market Availability button to start auto analysis. Depending on number of components, analysis takes few seconds to fetch data from different suppliers. Once the process is complete, system will auto-select best option for each component depending on stock availability and price. You can obviously override suggested option add the data manually. For the components where no price is fetched, you may also add information manually by calling the suppliers over the phone and complete the missing information.